In the dimly lit room, a small mouse is captivated by a large piece of cheese, its senses overwhelmed by desire. With eyes wide and whiskers twitching, the mouse's anticipation heightens, its focus solely on the irresistible treat. Drool glistens at the corner of its mouth, a silent testament to the mouse's intense craving and strategic planning. Driven by insatiable hunger, the mouse soars through the air, its small body stretched towards the irresistible aroma of cheese. With a dramatic inhale, the mouse prepares to unleash a sneeze of epic proportions. Ha! Chew! The force of the sneeze is comically exaggerated, sending dust particles flying in a whirlwind of miniature chaos. The terrified mouse recoils violently, landing in a heap as it desperately attempts to escape the unseen horror. The evil mouse erupts in unrestrained laughter, its body shaking with wicked glee, reveling in the torment of its victim.
The scene culminates in a chilling of the evil mouse's triumphant, mischievous grin, a testament to its malevolent victory.